So guys, in this third part, I'll be showing you how you can connect the IPC robot to your MetaTrader to monitor your trades. So this is MetaTrader 4. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to Google Play Store and download it. Just search for MetaTrader 4. So you'd see it like this over here. So download it first of all. Now after downloading it, the moment you set up your IPC capital, they're going to send you an email, and the email, you would see something like this. Okay, this email. So the moment you're registering, check your email for this on IPC capital. Then you see in this email, you see your MT4 ID, you see master password and this other stuff. So basically the two things you need is your MT4 ID and your master password. Those two things are very important. You might also want to write them down somewhere very safe. Okay, so after you've gotten this email, ensure you've received it. It's definitely going to come. It's automated. So what you do is you go to your MetaTrader trader. Okay, so once it opens, accept, then all you need to do is come to this menu option, this three strokes, these three lines here. Click on it. So you're gonna see manage accounts, right? So click on manage account. So you're gonna see this is a demo account or whatever it's popping here. You don't really need this. All you need is a plus, meaning you want to add an account here. So once you click on plus, click on login to an existing account, because the moment you create your account with Intelligence Prime Capital, they open a Forex Trading account for you. The moment you subscribe, you open your account for you. So log into an existing account. So you need to do is log into an existing account. Then now all you need to do is type the name of Intelligence Prime Capital, just Intelligence. Okay, Intelligence Prime Live. So you see it over here, Intelligence Prime Live. Okay, so you see Intelligence Prime Demo, but it's the live, meaning the real account we want to log into. So click in here on Intelligence Prime Live. So in the place of login, where you have your MT4 ID, so you can see it here, your MT4 ID, you copy it and you paste it. Then where you have your password, use the master password. That's the password to your personal account. So just come here. So you log in here and you log in here. So the MT4 ID, the MT4 password. So that's it. Boom, you're logged in. Now the moment you're logged in, so let's assume we're logged in. Once you come in daily, you want to monitor your trades for the day. It's very simple. Once you log in, click on this box here. You can see your trades. Also, when you click on the menu option up here, so you can get to see the history, the trade. Then you can also get to see the charts of the market. Here, if you have a desktop version, you can also monitor the time of the trade and monitor the movement of the market, and you can get to see how accurate your trades are being placed. So I think with this third video, this is video 3 basically, you can now get to understand how you can do most of these things. So we started in video 1 by basically registering. Video 2 was funding and subscribing, and this is basically how to link it to your MetaTrader trader.